Hello everybody. Today I'll show you how to change the battery inside this key fob. This fob was used on the Mazda RX-8 Miata from 2005 to 2008. And you need a new CR1620 battery to replace this one. Follow along. You can start by flipping out the key so we can get access to this little separation in the plastic. You can see it kind of reflecting the light. If you hold this part, we're going to be pushing up this entire piece of plastic. So hold on the left side of this line, and with a flathead screwdriver, just push between those two pieces of plastic. And once you have a bit of separation on the bottom, you can insert the head of the screwdriver and twist to totally remove it. And if you don't have a screwdriver on hand, put that down. You can just get in, push it up a little bit with your finger, and try to do the same process. Pull it apart with your fingers. But it's definitely a little bit easier with a screwdriver. Now, separate the two halves, and we can see our battery right in there. This is all the way in there, and you can't get at it with your fingers, so you will need to use a tool. Maybe, if you have one, a little precision screwdriver like this. If you wanted to get one of these, you can get a pack of them online for just a couple bucks. Can give a link for that. Alternatively, you can use a pen, something like that, but it's a little bit harder. So just going to show you with the key facing down, go to the bottom right corner of the little square that holds the battery and insert your tool between the plastic and the battery, and just start to rock under the battery until you catch the edge and it pops out. I'll show you that again. Bottom right, there's actually a little arrow here telling you where to go. Bottom right, insert the tool, pry and rock until it pops right out. This is the 1620 battery, and when you have your new one, you want to put it back in. Make sure the side with the brand and battery information goes down. It's going to go down like this, and slide it in, allowing the top of the battery to get into place first, so that we can just push the bottom down and it locks right in. And the other piece of plastic, this can kind of become loose. You want to just make sure your buttons are in place. Push that in a bit before you reattach these two halves together. Okay, make sure everything lines up and it kind of clicks into place, and you are finished. That is how you change the battery on an RX-8 Miata key fob. Thanks for watching.